Hi, this is Ruth from Season, and today we've received the Season Tri-ply stainless steel sauté pan. And there's a million recipes that you can use this with, but given beetroot's in season, so we're gonna make a beetroot risotto. So to start with, we've got these thoroughly washed beetroots, otherwise you end up having soil in your liquid. We're gonna just trim off the roots, and then we're gonna boil it like as a whole without peeling them. Just cut these in chunks. And then just add everything into a saucepan and then fill it up with vegetable stock. So the beetroot's been boiled for 1 hour, so you want to remove it. To test if it's ready, use a paring knife and just poke it into the middle. It should feel soft but not mushy. And then just peel off the skin. And then strain the stock into another saucepan. Just add a tiny bit of the stock. And then we're gonna blend the beetroot into a puree. You want to remove the rind. If you like the taste, you can leave it. And chop them into cubes. And then dye some cold butter. So in the sauté pan, add some extra virgin olive oil. Use slow heat to sweat the onions and shallots. After 5 minutes, you can see they're turning translucent. They're ready, so we're gonna add the rice. You want to toast the rice before you add the stock. This process should take around 3 minutes, and you need to keep stirring it. So now you can kind of smell the toasted flavor. So you want to increase the heat and then add your white wine. So once the wine is evaporated, you want to add the beetroot puree. Mix well. And then add 1 ladle of hot stock. You want to add 1 ladle at a time. Remember, keep stirring for 15 minutes, otherwise it will stick and it's going to cook unevenly. So you want to make sure the edges go to the middle. And once you see they're dried out, you can add 1 more ladle of stock. So to know when it's done, you need to taste it I would say every 5 minutes when it turns to the end. You should feel the bite, but not mushy. Add zest from 1 lemon, and then half the juice. So we're gonna add the Brie, Grana Padano cheese, grated, and lastly cold butter to emulsify. And then season to taste after you add the cheese. And top it with Stracciatella. If you can't find Stracciatella, you can use burrata.